Hello friends, Saraswati Sisukund Wagwala, Borsad, welcomes you. Standard 9, subject Mathematics, chapter number 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Friends, here you can see the word Euclid's Geometry. Before we starting this chapter, think about that, how the buildings or palace construct without engineers, because an ancient time kings were construct their beautiful palace without engineers. So this palace are constructed by helping the geometry. So first of all, let us see what is the meaning of geometry. What is the meaning of geometry? So this geometry words comes from Greek word. There are two words in the geometry. First is geo and another is metrician. So geo means earth, and metrians means to measure. So this is the word geometrian. Geo means earth, metrian means to measure. So this geometry was studied in Egypt, Babylonia, India, Greek, etc. So these countries have lots of contribution for geometry. Once again, Egypt, Babylonia, India, Greek, China also contribute in the geometry subject. So this is the word. This is the history of the word of geometry. Now friends, let us think about first of all Egyptians studied geometry. And they developed simple construction and simple formula. Okay, Egyptians first of all given geometric simple construction and simple formula. Now friends, we know that where first of all हमारे देश में पहले भी जब राइट ब्रदर्स ने प्लेन की खोज नहीं की थी तब भी प्लेन थे. हमको पता है कि देवी देवता प्लेन यूज कर रहे थे. तो आपको ऐसा भी समझ में आया होगा कि तो फिर हमारी जो बुक्स है, जो साइंटिस्ट है, उसका नाम क्यों नहीं है. ये एक सोचने लायक बात है. ये आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए, ये आपको बहुत काम आ सकती है कि हमारा जो पाइथागोरस ने जब पहले हमको जो इक्वेशन दिया था, वो भी पाइथागोरस के पहले भी जो था वो यूज होता था. ऑपरेशन जो थे वो हमारे ऋषि मुनीस करते थे. दवाइयाँ भी हमारे ऋषि मुनीस वो देते थे. तो क्या हुआ कि वो सब हमारा अभी जो लिस्ट है उसमें न्यूटन ने, हमको पता है न्यूटन ने 3 लॉ दिए, वो पहले भी थे, पर हमारे ऋषि मुनियों के नाम नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि जब भी अंग्रेजों ने हमारे देश पे शासन किया तो उन्होंने पहला ये काम किया कि जितनी भी लाइब्रेरी थी तक्षशिला, उसको उन्होंने नष्ट कर दिया. दैट मीन्स जो सारे जो प्रूफ थे वो गायब हो गए. हमको पता है कि राइट ब्रदर्स इन्वेंशन द प्लेन, और राइट ब्रदर्स ने जो प्लेन इन्वेंट किया वो भी बाय हेल्प हमारे बुक्स की हेल्प लेके ही किया था. तो ये ज्योमेट्री है वो इजिप्शियंस ने ये सिंपल कंस्ट्रक्शन और सिंपल फार्मूला दिए. इससे पहले हमारे इंडियन जो साइंटिस्ट मैथमेटिशियंस थे उन्होंने भी ये सब कुछ दिया था. तो लेट अस नो किन ने हमारा ज्योमेट्री में कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है. लेट अस सी. If we are talking about Indian subcontinent, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are excavations. Okay, it's called excavations. They used widely used geometry in Indus Valley. Indus Valley. Whenever the scientists studied on Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, they got it was what in Valley geometry is widely used. So these are the points how they get the use of geometry in Indus Valley. The first point is was highly organized society. Organized society. The first point is whenever he showed the Indus Valley's design, first of all they was realized that it was highly organized society. The cities were highly developed. The cities were highly developed and very planned. The second point, we are talking about the Indus Valley. That is there was one city. It's called Indus Valley, and the city's design it was highly organized society. The cities were highly developed and very planned. Roads are parallel to each other. The roads are parallel to each other. The third point is they noted that the roads are parallel to each other. There was an underground drainage system. Friends, there is a bit very good. There was an underground drainage system. We know that in today's era there are underground drainage system. Same like ancient times. At the time of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, Indus Valley has an underground drainage system. The houses had many rooms. Another is the houses had many rooms. Friends, see, without engineering, they used the geometry for constructing the building, constructing the society, constructing the map of the society. So this is very appreciable for us, because our Indian scientist Aryabhatta also used the geometry. See, the Indus Valley have lots of positive use of geometry. Highly recognized society, the cities are highly developed. That means very important for them to use geometry. Another one is they use brick. They use brick for constructing the house, and their land, brick and width, the ratio of length, breadth and thickness or width. Thickness is 4:2:1. It is very important ratio. The ratio of brick, the Indus Valley, in the Indus Valley of use 4:2:1, length, breadth, thickness. We know that in today's era we also use the brick, and the same length 4:2:1 is used in for the construction of the house. Another most important is the Salva Sutra. The Salva Sutra, where manuals for constructions, or you can say geometric construction. Friends, this is very most important part. The Salva Sutra were manual. What are the manuals for construction or geometric construction? The answer is the Salva Sutra. So this is the highly introduction of what are the contribution of Indian mathematician? So the Salva Sutra, this is very important. The Salva Sutra were manuals for geometric construction. Another one is the brick length, breadth and thickness. The ratio of the length, width and thickness is 4 gem, 2 gem 1. And this is the about the Indus Valley where geometry were very much used. So this is the only for Indian. Now let us see. Now let us see the another Egyptians are also used. What are the Euclid's approach? So let us see the Euclid's approach. Before we starting Euclid's approach, let us know about Sri Yantra. Friends, we know that the Sri Yantra is the yantra that there are 9 interwoolen isoscales triangles. Isoscale triangles. So there is a one question arise that how many interwoolen triangles in a Sri Yantra? So there are 9 interwoolen isoscales. There is the isoscales triangle in a Sri Yantra, and they are arranged such a way that they produce 43 subsidiary triangles. Like this way. So by this is the example of Sri Yantra. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 triangles, isoscale triangles, but they arrange such a way that they produce 43 subsidiary triangles. So this is very important question. One important question: how many isoscale triangles are there in a Sri Yantra? So there are 9 interwoolen isoscale triangles in a Sri Yantra, and they are such a way that they produce 43 subsidiary triangles. Now let us talk about Greek mathematician Thales. Friends, very important question. A Greek mathematician Thales is to be considered as a pioneer of geometry. Very most important question. The Greek mathematician Thales was to considered a pioneer of geometry. Pythagoras was one of the most popular students of Thales. So one of the most popular students of Thales is Pythagoras. We know that Pythagoras gives us the equation of Pythagoras also. So Pythagoras was one of the most popular students of the Thales. Now let us come to Euclid's approach. Euclid's approach, this is before Christ 325 to 265. So Euclid was the teacher of mathematics in Alexandria in the Egypt. So Euclid was the math teacher, and he was in Alexandria in Egypt. He collected all the results of geometry. He was collected all the results of geometry from different aspects and compiled them in a series of 13 chapters. He compiled a series of how many chapters? 13 chapters. This is the very most important. So whenever he compiled them a series of 13 chapters, the compilation was named element. The compilation was named element. The notations of point, line, plane were derived from Saramji problem. He was derived the notation of point. We know that the point is noted by this one line. We know that this is the line. Plane also were derived from surrounding object. He also derived that boundaries of solid are surfaces. We know that whenever we have the solid, the surfaces are some like plane. So boundaries of solids are surfaces. surface have no thickness and their boundaries are curved or lines. The boundaries are curves or lines. Whenever you see the boundaries of some solid, so you see the line or surface or curve type. So the surface have no thickness and their boundaries are curves or lines. The lines end in points. See, whenever I draw the line, it ends with points. A point has a no dimension. For example, I put the dot, so it has a no dimension. So from these points we can say that the geometric quantity and their dimension. A point has no dimension, that is 0. A line, we can see that a line has only single dimension, so this is single. Surface has a 2. This is the surface. We can see the surface. So surface has a 2 dimension, and last one solid has always 3 dimension. Whenever you have, so there are height, width and length. So solid has a 3 dimension. So in this lecture we are talking about the history of geometry, the Euclid's approach, the Salvasutra, the most important question, the Salvasutra manuals used in geometric construction. Another most likely question, the Thales is considered as a pioneer of geometry. Another one is the Pythagoras was one of the most popular students of the Thales. So these points are very important. These points are very important for you students. So when in worksheet you have to given that all the points are you have to written in your notebook, as well as you have to give the answer of questions which are given in the worksheet. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.